stop scrolling. These aren't just cookies. They're red velvet perfection. Thick, bakery style, and dangerously chewy. The secret? Start with cold cubed butter. Beat it on high for 2 minutes. Add your sugars, and whip for 3 more until it's light and fluffy. Add an egg, an extra yolk, and vanilla. Now the magic. A touch of vinegar and red food coloring. Beat it until it's smooth and vibrantly red. Whisk your dry ingredients and mix them in slowly. Now, fold in the good stuff. Heaps of chocolate chips and white chocolate chunks. Scoop them tall, 4 ounces each. Freeze for at least 2 hours, then bake at 350 for about 17 minutes until the edges are set. Let them firm up for 15 minutes. Soft, chewy, and perfect. You have to try these.